Hey guys, today we are going to start our last grammar unit for the school year, and that is word usage part 2, meaning how do you know when to choose a certain word to use in a sentence. We did word usage part 1 earlier in the school year, and today we're going to take a look at certain words and groups of words. So let's look at that now. Word usage part 2. Our creation, fall, redemption, and essential questions. Why is the correct word usage of words important when speaking and writing? What is correct word usage? And our creation, fall, redemption is God created language and written expression. So we are going to decide today, how do you know whether to use the word may in a sentence or can in a sentence? Now, may means you are giving or asking for permission. Can means you are showing your ability or power and that you are able to do something. And oftentimes people will use the word can where they really should use the word may, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So the first example sentence down at the bottom here says, "May I go to the park?" asked Jeff. Now, Jeff is asking his dad for permission, that's why he used the word may. But sometimes do people use the word can when technically they should use the word may? Yes, sometimes that happens. "You may if you can," replied Father. And Father said can there because he was telling Jeff, he was giving Jeff permission, you may, if you can, meaning if you are able to do so right now. So let's take a look at some example sentences here. And after I read through each one, you can pause the video if you choose to see if you can figure these out yourself. And I put the definitions at the top of what may and can mean to help you as you work through these. And I would encourage you as you work through your classwork and take your test to do as I do right now. I'm going to plug in both the right answer and the wrong answer so that I can hear them and see if I can figure out that way which one sounds correct. Also, before you take your test, you could even write down these definitions here if you choose. That's optional to have by you to help you with learning the difference between may and can. All right, so the first sentence is, you could either say, "May I have an ice cream?" or "Can I have an ice cream?" Now look up at those definitions of may and can. If may means to give or ask for permission, and can means to show that you're able to do something or your ability or power, which one would that be? May I have an ice cream or can I have an ice cream? The next one is, I blank play the clarinet. I may play the clarinet or I can play the clarinet. So think about, is this person asking for permission to play the clarinet, or are they telling you about their ability to play the clarinet? The next one is, she can run a mile or she may run a mile. Is this person asking you permission to run a mile, or are they telling you about their ability to run a mile? Think about that before you put the word there. And then, you blank go to the park. You may go to the park or you can go to the park. Are they asking for permission to go to the park, or are they telling you about their ability to go to the park? Blank, you please get the door. Can you please get the door, or may you please get the door? So think about which one would that be. Are they asking permission to get the door, or are they asking you if you're able to get up and go get the door? And then, you blank have some tea. You may have some tea or you can have some tea. Are they giving you permission to have some tea, or are they asking you about your ability or power to get the tea? So think about those. You can pause the video. Otherwise, here come the answers, and I'm just gonna put the definitions here so you can see those. May I have an ice cream? That would be because the person was asking for permission. The next one was, I can play the clarinet. That person was telling you about their ability to play the clarinet. She can run a mile. That person was also telling you about their ability to run a mile. You may go to the park. Another person is speaking to another person and they are giving them permission. That's why they use the word may. Can you please get the door? This person was asking someone if they had the ability to go get the door in that moment. And then you may have some tea, meaning that person was giving the other person permission to get some tea. All right, boys and girls, I hope that video helped you learn the difference between may and can. So go ahead and work through today's classwork in your Google Slides, and I do need to see the answers to those. So read the directions on how to do that part and let me know if you guys need anything at any time. Miss you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.